In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify Collaborator code. This is the code you share with a trusted developer or agency so they can request access to your store through the official Shopify partner system. It's a simple 4-digit code, but it's important for keeping your store secure while still allowing professionals to help you. Let's start from inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the Settings page opens, you'll notice a menu along the left side. In that menu, look for the section labeled Users. Click on Users, and you'll see it expand to reveal more options underneath. From the expanded list, select Security. This is where Shopify keeps all the controls related to account security, including your collaborator code. After you've clicked on security, scroll or look through the page until you see your collaborator code. This will be a 4-digit number. Shopify uses this code to filter who can request access to your store from the partner dashboard. Only people who know this code can send you a collaborator request, which helps prevent random or unwanted access requests. If for any reason you feel your current collaborator code might have been shared too widely, or you just want to refresh it, you can generate a new one at any time. On the same security page, look for the button labeled Generate New Code. When you click that, Shopify will instantly create a new 4-digit code and automatically invalidate the old one. That means anyone trying to use the old code will no longer be able to request access. Once you have your current collaborator code, share it securely with your developer or agency. Avoid posting it in public channels or anywhere it might be easily discovered. Send it through a secure message, project management tool, or another private communication method you already trust. Your developer or agency will then enter this 4-digit code inside their Shopify partner dashboard when they request access to your store. After they submit the request, you'll receive a collaborator access request in your Shopify admin. Review the permissions they're asking for, and if everything looks correct and you trust the requester, you can approve it. And that's all you need to do to find and manage your Shopify collaborator code.